In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best music player apps for Android. Whether you're an audiophile or just love listening to music on the go, these apps have something to offer. Let's dive in. Rock's Music Player. Rock's Music Player is a feature-rich app that provides an elegant way to listen to your favorite music. It boasts a sleek, user-friendly interface that allows users to easily navigate through their music library. The app supports a variety of audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and FLAC, ensuring high-quality playback. Rock's Music Player also offers customizable equalizer settings, allowing users to tweak the sound to their liking. With features such as playlist creation, album art display, and sleep timer, it's a versatile choice for any music lover. JetAudio Plus High-Res Music Player. JetAudio Plus High-Res Music Player is known for its high-quality sound output and extensive features. This app supports a wide range of audio formats, including HD audio files, making it ideal for audiophiles. Users can enjoy a customizable equalizer with numerous presets, as well as various sound effects to enhance their listening experience. JetAudio Plus also includes features such as playback speed control, crossfade, and a built-in tag editor to manage music metadata. Its visually appealing interface and rich functionality make it a top choice among music enthusiasts. Muzee Music Player. Muzee Music Player is a lightweight and easy-to-use music player that offers a minimalist design while providing essential features for music playback. This app allows users to easily organize their music library by artist, album, or genre. Muzee Music Player supports a variety of formats and delivers high-quality sound. Users can create playlists, shuffle songs, and access a built-in equalizer to customize their audio experience. The app also provides features like a sleep timer and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for anyone who enjoys listening to music on the go. Thank you for watching our video on the best music player apps for Android. We hope you found the perfect app to enhance your music listening experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.